So that leads into, if somebody's starting within the industry and like a new talent or something, what kind of advice will you give them?
Yeah, I talk a lot. So I have a 21-year-old son. He goes to Cal Poly here in San Luis Obispo. So I talk to a lot of his friends, and I give like career advice.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's like best possible advice, but I certainly have opinions about everything. So I talk to them a lot. Just don't go into a place that's like small and where you get pigeonholed quickly into something, right? So there's a lot of these kids that come to me and say, hey, there's like this smaller company and it's 9 people and this, that, the other, but it's a super nice industry. And I go, it's better to go into like an NVIDIA, right? Because there's a multitude of functions and verticals with a huge diversity of people. So just look around, right? Because if you start, you don't know anything as much as you think you know something, but you don't. And it's going to be colored by your first work experience. So don't go into an environment that's like tiny, right, in every kind of aspect, but go into something that's large. That's what I did. I went into Philips. Turned out to be the best possible breeding ground in the world. Not because of what happened to me, but just in general, right? The smartest people I ever worked with were there, I think. And also don't be immediately career and goal oriented. Just play a little bit, which is not in Silicon Valley. You certainly can't say it because everybody wants to go the fastest way to heaven, kind of thing. But just be philosophical and just sniff around a little bit is probably a good idea.
Yeah, no, that's a good advice.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.